Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to VIVO V15 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both. Following that, install this free app called Send Anywhere, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, select exactly the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, select OK. Now ping Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top, and from them choose all of your files that you wish to transfer. Then click on Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen files, in my case this one song, and maybe this photo. Wherever you decide when you finished, click on Send next to Selected and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on VIVO. Also on VIVO, allow camera access. And lastly, point its camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key though, tap on Input key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!